In this video, you will see how to write power of power in Word document. This power of power is also called as nested exponents and it's very easy to write. What you need to do is first go to the Insert tab and here you will see the option of equation. Just click on the equation button. You will see this blue box and a new tab equation. Now click on script and select the first option superscript. You will see these two boxes. Now you can just type whatever number you want in the first box and now you will need to click on the exponent box, go back to the script option and select the option superscript again. You will again get two boxes. You just have to type inside the boxes like this now. In this way you can write power of power or nested exponents in Microsoft Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.